Ever wondered how credit cards really work? Most people just swipe and pay later, but what's actually happening behind the scenes? Today, we're breaking it down so you can use your card more wisely. First, what exactly is a credit card? At its core, it's a line of credit. This means the bank is essentially lending you money every time you swipe. But there's a limit. Your credit limit is the maximum amount you can borrow. It's based on things like your income, your credit history, and your overall financial health. The better your credit score, the higher your limit might be. Then there's APR, annual percentage rate. This is the interest you'll pay if you don't pay your balance in full. Understanding your APR helps you see how much carrying a balance will really cost. Paying the minimum balance might seem fine, but over time it means more interest charges and more debt. The good news? Paying off your balance every month means no interest, and you get all the convenience without the extra cost. Understanding how credit cards work is the first step to building good credit and avoiding unnecessary debt. Found this helpful? Like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What was the biggest credit card myth you used to believe?